My name is Rob Bean, and I'm a Senior Marketing Strategist and a partner here at Refactored. Refactored is a full-service digital marketing agency based in Colorado, and we believe that an agency like ours can be a powerful accelerator for helping build momentum and supporting company teams as they reach their long-term goals. Our teams have worked to align the disciplines of business strategy, digital marketing, and technical development for years, and we're proud to work in close partnership with Storyblok, which we believe is the best headless CMS platform on the market. We help our clients engage their end customers with a better user experience and with the creation of customized content delivery solutions fitting their unique needs. To make that happen, we need solutions that are open, extensible, and adaptable to meet a variety of client objectives. In my role at the agency, I'm responsible for helping our clients determine how to best integrate their business needs with their brand and marketing objectives, all those things that they have in mind at one time. And all of this while ensuring that we deliver an effective customer experience within an often complicated technology infrastructure. Storyblok has really helped our team take a major step towards a long-term goal of ours as well, which was to transition away from traditional CMS solutions and towards a modern technology. As a company, we thrive on delivering a greater vision and creating tangible impact for our clients. And Storyblok helps us deliver solutions with effectiveness, security, and speed. So why did we switch to a headless CMS? Well, our team has worked with most every major enterprise and mid-tier CMS solution on the market for over the last 20 years. And so when we were evaluating new technology, we're pretty hard to impress. As an agency, we believe a great CMS can be an absolute game changer for internal marketing, content, and development teams, helping them accelerate their workflows and increasing their output. However, as CMS technologies evolved and matured, we found ourselves looking for a new breed of CMS solution for several reasons. First, we wanted to focus on content. Our solutions are built to service the end customer experience, but just as often, they're made to facilitate the output of marketing deliverables or a sales team's functionality. Whether it's a massive resource library of documents organized by topics and taxonomy, or a site enabled with integrated e-commerce capabilities, we needed a tool to help us design flexible and powerful content structures so that our clients can deliver all kinds of information wherever they want to go. Second, we always want to use the best tools for the job. These days, it's common for CMSs to be packed full of poor functioning and underwhelming marketing adjacent tool sets. These are sold as digital experience platforms. Though there are some clients who are interested in an all-in-one platform, they are the minority. Most organizations have a pretty mature marketing stack these days and have strong preferences in existing investments in tools that help with marketing conversion, CRM, with email automation solutions, and ERP. With headless CMSs being so API-driven, we can connect technologies together into larger solutions that leverage the best that each platform provides, all without compromise. Finally, we wanted ease of use, extensibility, and the ability to build interfaces our way. We distinguish our work from other agencies by putting a premium on the editor experiences we deliver. We know that if you spend the time to make the editing environment intuitive, visual, and flexible, editing teams will love to work with the CMS solution that we built for them. Storyblok really helps us to deliver a highly creative visual solution paired with a powerful content editing experience that meets our clients' often complex communication needs. So why did we choose Storyblok? When we looked at the CMS market for a headless solution for the agency, we dug into 20 different options, and there are a number of great platforms to choose from. In fact, at its core, most headless CMS solutions work in very similar ways, with the CMS, generally speaking, being a central repository of content that developers then leverage APIs to distribute highly structured content out to a variety of end uses, or heads. What distinguished Storyblok for us, at least initially, was its visual editor and the ability for us to organize content in a way that site editors, developers, and marketing teams find more natural than the antiquated content type groupings that most headless CMSs force on their customers. This allows us to build those highly flexible and very intuitive editor experiences that our clients have just come to love to use. Additionally, we found the company to be exceptional to work with. Whether we're supporting a smaller website build using their self-service tools, or with larger enterprise implementations where we're delivering complicated solutions for clients who require high availability and a great deal of customization, Storyblok always is there for us. If I was describing Storyblok in 3 words, I'd say flexible, user-friendly, and secure without a doubt. We've had a lot of great feedback from every client that we've built a solution for on Storyblok. However, one project comes to mind because it has all the hallmarks of a typical website initiative: big ambitions, short time frames, and high stakes. We worked on a very large project utilizing the enterprise version of Storyblok for a customer in the security industry. With that project, we had a number of challenges to overcome with the technology, and we had to deploy the solution within a very short window of time. The challenges included, first, that Storyblok would be the first ever CMS used in the company. Second, the technical team was protective, and rightfully so, of their environment. They worried, skeptically, that the CMS might negatively impact their work style. Third, the scope of the job was huge, and it included merging 3 main systems for managing a resource library containing thousands of critical conversion-driven assets, while still sending leads into legacy systems for follow-up. Finally, we only had a couple of months to design the solution, build it, and migrate all the content. It was a lot. But when we delivered the project on time and on budget, and we trained them on their new CMS, the client team was overjoyed. They now had a solution that simplified the day-to-day management of content changes, drastically reducing both the complexity it took to get content to the website, but also allowed the new assets to hit that site in a matter of minutes versus weeks, as had been the norm. Though this was a large project, one commonality it had with almost every other website project we see was simply the sheer volume of change on the client team. And that type of change, happening all at once, can be extremely disruptive on the business. In this case, Storyblok allowed us to carve out a critical portion of the overall site and seamlessly solve a specific set of challenges without the shock and awe of a full website overhaul. That's unique, and that's the kind of flexibility we have at Storyblok. We currently have a number of projects lined up at the agency at different stages of design and development, going out several months, which is great. There also seems to be a ton of interest in the Headless CMS space, just in general from our client base and from others we're meeting. One interesting thing that we're seeing with almost all new projects is that most of the clients are starting with a period of consultation on the front end. Whether it's due to project complexity or simply that Headless CMS has some unique characteristics that make it a little different than traditional CMS solutions, we're finding the clients are really wanting to think through how they implement their new content management solution, which is smart. All that upfront investment in content architecture and user experience really pays dividends, because we can better ensure that all corner cases are considered and that a project ends up meeting all of the end goals that client had in mind when we first engaged with them, and many times a few more. We're looking forward to sharing the power of Storyblok with others and getting the opportunity to build some great solutions on this robust platform.